Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Salesforce. Today we will learn the places where the fields gets used. So if you want to learn uh, or if you want to find out the places where the field gets used, okay, then click on the setup icon and go to the object manager. So I want to find out the customer priority, which is a custom field which is present on account object. So I want to find out where this field gets used. Okay, so here you can see this is the custom field. I want to find out the places where this field gets used. So I'll click on this customer priority field. After that, the detail page of this field will open, and in here you can see the option or button where is this used. Then click on this button, and here you can find out this field is used in Apex class. Then this field used in this for layout. After that, also this field is used in this report. So when you click on this Apex class, so Apex class will be open. So you can open all the places where this field gets used from this page as well. Here you can see it's used in here. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for the further videos. Thank you.